Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do a makeup like Victoria's Secret makeup but on Indian skin. So for the first step I'm using a skin tint so that we get a sheer coverage and also some glow, and then I'm using a concealer in the areas where I feel I need a little bit more coverage, and then I'm blending both of them together to save some time. So for the next step I'm using a glowy blush highlighter in one, and then I'm just blending it with my fingers, and after that I'm using a loose powder to set my T-zone area, and I'm leaving the rest of the face glowy. Then I'm again using a creamy pink blush. I'm making sure that I'm keeping the cheeks and lips pink as per the theme of the Victoria's Secret makeup. Then I'm using a bronzer for my crease area just to give some depth but also to keep it like natural, and I'm also using the same bronzer on my jawline. Then I'm using a brow gel to keep my brows hair in place. You can also use a pencil or whatever you need to fill. And then I'm using a lash curler to make sure my lashes look nice and curled. Also using a highlighter on the bridge of the nose, like on the high points, and also on the corners of the eye. As you can see, it just pops the eyes a little bit more. And then I'm setting the whole face with a setting spray and using a lip liner which is close to my lips but also something that is more nude based, so that it gives a more pouty effect. And then I'm using a pink lipstick. Just like I said, I'm just keeping the theme really nice. Then again, I'm using a pink lip gloss just to give that pop of color and also to make sure that the lips look really nice and pouty. So yeah, and then I'm also using a nude eyeliner to make sure that my eyes just look fresh, and this is how the whole look turned out to be. The video is shot in natural daylight and there are no filters used in the videos. Overall, this makeup looks really pretty in real life as well. So that was all for the video, and I shall see you all next time soon. Bye.